Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have a phenomenal deal on a 10-piece cookware set direct from MasterChef. Now, if you know MasterChef, you know that includes Gordon Ramsay, who's one of the most famous chefs, and I'm telling you, this set is every bit as good of a quality as his name suggests. Now, you get a lot of things with this set. You get a 3-quart pot, 5-quart pot, along with the lids that fit each one. You get a premium 3-piece kitchen utensil set, along with a spaghetti measuring tool and a pot protector. Oh, and I almost forgot, you get a set of recipe cards so you can cook like Gordon Ramsay yourself. But my favorite part is this universal straining clip. This will clip on either of these pots, but along with other pots that you may have or frying pans. Now, this is great for straining pasta, if you make hard-boiled eggs, veggies, whatever, this is going to strain them easily. Now, the real star of this set is the SilverION technology that is infused in the top layer. Now, this makes it both antimicrobial and one of the best non-stick sets you're ever gonna use. Throw that Teflon away because that's just dangerous. But that's not all. You can use it on gas, electric, induction, and even glass top cookwares, and this is fantastic. Now, a set like this can cost as much as $200, but you're not gonna pay anywhere near this. You're getting all 10 pieces for an insanely low price, but we don't have a lot of stock, and once they sell out, they're gone forever at this super low price. So head on over to Pulse TV and grab your set today.